Okay, I'm here over in Rena's garden, and she's going to show us how she prunes her broccoli and actually creates cuttings, and then those cuttings she's brooding, believe it or not.
I know.
Which is just amazing to
It's
me.
so crazy.
She has these magical fingers or something.
I learned it by accident. But first what I wanted to show you is how I prune my broccoli. So this particular stand of broccoli is about 3 years old. And it started out as the big-headed broccoli, whatever they call that, I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
But anyway, that's how it started.
Mm-hmm.
And now, it's after you cut off the first head, then what it does is it starts producing small heads like this.
Yeah, right. That's right.
And like that.
Yeah.
And so in this, I wanted to show you in here, so it shows you, so there's the cut right there, and here's all the new babies that will throw out those size broccolis.
Right.
Isn't that awesome?
Okay.
And then when
great.
I harvest that, if it's gotten too long and too skinny, I'll cut it way lower, and then I'll prune off all the leaves, and I'll stick the cuttings in the ground, and they've rooted for me. And so this is a lot of rooted broccoli from the same 6-pack of broccoli I bought three years ago.
Oh my God.
And then over here I'll show you some new ones that I've just propagated.
Okay.
And it's a different varietal, but it's the same process, and it's broccolini. So those are the long, skinny kind of little broccoli heads.
Mm-hmm.
And this is them here. I just finished harvesting a bunch of, like, if this was a broccoli, I would cut it down. And so here's all my babies.
Look at this.
And we'll see. I've got them in between the soaker hoses, so they're getting moisture.
Wow. Okay.
And obviously I cut off most of the leaves, so they're not trying to maintain their leaves. But you can see here, so I cut it here.
Yeah.
Threw out a shoot.
Yeah.
And then I had a broccoli. Then I cut it there. And then here's my new broccoli coming up, and it's throwing off another one on the side. And so this one will probably turn into 2 broccoli starts. So I have this baby here.
Yeah.
Right here. And so what I'll do is I'll come down here and find a node, which is right here, and I'll cut it above that. And then I will stick this piece right here in the ground.
The one, yep, you're holding on. Okay.
Yeah, that right there.
Great.
And then once this blooms out and I cut the broccoli head off, then I'll cut this off.
Go to the next internode.
And go to the next internode. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm very excited. I'm
That's
very
so
excited.
interesting.
So I'm starting a whole new little hedge here, and these are all first-year plants.
All these are
first-year plants. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's how they look, and then they just get really dense, which is really awesome because I keep infilling. So that's my broccoli story.
She's got hormones in her fingertips, this girl. Oh my gosh.
Jeez,
this is
craziness,
awesome.
but it's awesome. I love it. Yeah, and I stumbled on it by accident.
Well, thank you.
You're so welcome.
Appreciate it. I think people are going to love this.
I think so too.
Okay.
I think it's fun.
Okay, this is Garden Angel at Rena's Garden. Thanks for watching. Bye.